Los Angeles social justice health officials and dumb county board of supervisors cannot provide data to support their ban on even outdoor seating for restaurants. It's ridiculous. This is the end of hour one of the Jesse Lee Peterson Show, Thursday, November 26th, 2020. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Stay tuned for hour two. Jesse Lee Peterson will be right back. But first, Hake news, not fake news. The Epoch Times reports that the Los Angeles County public health, so-called health officials, on Tuesday said that they don't have data to support a weeks-long ban on outdoor dining, triggering pushback from supervisors, which amounted to nothing. The health officials said that they believe outdoor eating at restaurants is a place of high risk of transmission of CCP virus, Chinese Communist Party virus, which causes COVID-19. Dr. Muntu Davis, the county's public health officer, he's black, told the county board of supervisors that the best data that officials have is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. That agency, the CDC, nationwide, in September published a case control probe using data from back in July that found a link between COVID cases and going to locations that offer on-site eating and drinking options. But that report did not even distinguish between outdoor and indoor seating or dining. And Muntu Davis admitted that officials don't have any info on restaurant patrons contracting COVID. Health officials announced over the weekend that they plan to prevent restaurants from offering even outdoor seating for the next 3 weeks here in Los Angeles County. Tuesday's meeting was the first time that they expanded on the order to the supervisors. You are solving the problem of people mixing together, often from different households, but being in close contact without a face covering while they are eating or drinking, said Muntu Davis. Muntu Davis serves under Barbara Farrar, that weird lady who I've talked about before, so-called public health director. Front Page Mag reports that she is actually a PhD in social welfare and a bachelor's in community studies. Social justice nonsense, not even a medical doctor. Earning almost $500,000 a year from Los Angeles County. Ridiculous. The shortage in hard data frustrated this LA County board, which is mostly Democrats, which they said they'd received hundreds of public comments, mostly negative, about this ban. The public don't think that this recommendation is right, and they don't think it's going to work, and they are really losing faith and trust in the decisions that we're making, said Janice Hahn, who is a Democrat supervisor. To close restaurants down at this point is without money to pay these workers and pay the restaurants. I think we are careening down a path of an economically tragic road, not the path. Closing, reopening, modifying, reopening again, and our cases are still going up. Kathryn Barger, who's the board chair, the only Republican on the board, said after hearing Dr. Davis say that the evidence being used is the CDC study and it's the best info we have after 7 months, we have not been tracking that info, actually affirms how upset I am about the fact that I feel this is arbitrary and punitive toward outdoor dining at restaurants. No other county has closed outdoor dining, Barger added, and the closure of outdoor gathering places will likely lead to indoor private gatherings. She and Hahn warned against job losses as well. Barger, like I said, the only Republican, and Hahn voted against approving the order, but were outvoted by the other three supervisors, including Hilda Solis, who's a Democrat, one of the supervisors, said she is keenly aware that suspended outdoor dining will have a detrimental impact on our small businesses. But I've said time and time again, I will listen to our public health experts. Sounds like that female-minded Joe Biden, right? Ridiculous. Women. And the only male on the board is Mark Ridley-Thomas, who is black and a hyphenated last name, took his wife's last name along with his. The county's order is not going to be followed by the city of Pasadena. They have their own board. They're working with Huntington Hospital. And they have a big, a big economy from their great restaurants in the city of Pasadena. So people in LA County, go to Pasadena. I'm James Hake. Now on to Jesse, hour two.